Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Baingan Ka Bharta is a beloved Indian dish, famous for its incredible smoky flavor. It features roasted eggplant, mashed and cooked with aromatic spices, onions, and tomatoes. This hearty, rustic curry offers a unique depth and warmth that makes it a true crowd pleaser. Prepare for a delicious culinary journey with this simple yet satisfying recipe. The secret to an amazing bharta lies in perfectly roasting your eggplant. Place it directly over a gas flame or under a broiler, turning frequently until the skin is charred and the inside is tender. This process not only cooks the vegetable, but also imparts that distinctive smoky flavor. Once cooled, peel away the skin and mash the soft flesh. Next, we create the heart of the dish, a vibrant, aromatic masala. Start by sautéing finely chopped onions until golden, then add ginger, garlic, and green chilies for a spicy kick. Stir in diced tomatoes and your chosen ground spices, cooking everything until the tomatoes soften and the oil separates. This deeply flavored base will truly elevate your bharta. Now, it's time to bring all those wonderful components together. Add your mashed, roasted eggplant to the simmering masala, mixing gently but thoroughly. Let it cook on a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the distinct flavors to marry and deepen. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking throughout this stage. To complete your masterpiece, garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. A final squeeze of lemon juice will brighten the flavors and add a refreshing zest to the smoky richness. Serve your Baingan Ka Bharta warm, accompanied by soft roti, fluffy naan bread, or a simple side of steamed rice. Enjoy this comforting and incredibly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.